Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 14 of ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will try to gather project requirement and will create MOM of that. This is continuation to part 13 MVC in ASP.NET Core, so please watch it before proceeding to this one. I shared the link in the description. So the idea behind creating this video is to simulate the live-like scenario. Obviously here it will be in its simplest form and we will try to create a project on client demand basis. So we will start from the very basics and keep on adding more scenarios as this tutorial will progress. Alright, on that note, let's hear a conversation between Dave, who is a software developer, and Mark, who is a project manager. Hello Dave. Hello Mark. We have a new project requirement. Oh, that's great. What's the requirement? This is a startup organization and they have, I guess, 3 or 4 employees in their organization. They only want an application which can display list of employees. Okay. Do they need pages to add or delete employees as well? No, they have budget constraint. Maybe in future, but as of now, they only want single page only. One more thing. They may or may not provide Windows Server to host. In our organization, we only have .NET developers, so I'm thinking we should go for .NET Go. What's your call? I think it's a great idea. As this is a very small project and Microsoft have long-term support for .NET and .NET Go, this way our team will also get hands-on to this technology. Do not worry, we can manage. Great then. See you in the next meeting. You and your team can start implement the requirement. Okay, let's summarize the requirement. They want only single page to display employee information. So first we need to create database in SQL. Next we need to create a table in database and I will name it TBL employees and TBL department. Then I need to populate this table with employee details and in future, client can manage it by themselves as they don't require more pages. Next in C#, we need to create an employee class to hold employees information. Next, we need a DB layer class to interact with our SQL database. But we never know, this client might need support for other database in future. So I will create an interface, employee repository, and inherit that interface with my SQL DB layer class. Next, I need an HTML to present that data. I will name it list of employees. I guess that will be sufficient. Let's implement that. So I just created this video because I like bit of animation. So from next video onwards, we will implement this very basic requirement from scratch. And we will keep on adding more features and we will see how we can host our application in IIS, etc. Till then, thanks for watching.